Hey there, and welcome to This Explainer. Today we're going to break down the capabilities, the workflow, and the massive strategic advantages of the highly anticipated new ClickFunnels AI Funnel Builder. Seriously, if you've ever felt completely bogged down by the sheer technical friction of trying to get your ideas online, you are in exactly the right place. Here's our quick roadmap for today. We're going to cover 1. The speed to launch, 2. Inside the AI workflow, 3. The funnel hacking debate, 4. No-code custom animations, 5. Big wins for agencies, and finally, 6. The true definition of power. All right, let's jump right into Section 1, the speed to launch. Now, the ultimate goal of this tool isn't just to make things look pretty. It's all about achieving real velocity. So let's be honest for a second. When you are trying to get a brand new funnel live so you can actually start collecting leads, what is actually holding you back? For most of us, the vision in our head is crystal clear, but the actual execution, man, it feels like wading through thick mud. Take Dante from our source material, for example. He hit the nail on the head for so many entrepreneurs. He openly admits that left completely to his own devices, he'd build a house with brown walls, brown roofs, and brown carpets, simply because he's just not a designer. Struggling with imagery and basic structure eats up an incredible amount of time, and usually you end up with something you weren't even proud of. But here is where the massive leverage kicks in. By letting the AI instantly handle that foundational structure, pull the imagery, and generate highly effective, curiosity-based headlines right out of the gate, it saves you roughly 12 minutes per basic page build. Think about that for a second. That is 12 minutes you instantly get back to analyze your traffic, look at your actual analytics, and make data-driven decisions that genuinely move the needle. Which brings us nicely to Section 2. Inside the AI workflow. You know how typical AI tools just kind of blindly spit out a final product based on one vague sentence? Well, this isn't that. This tool uses a highly structured workflow that actually validates and reinforces your idea before it ever builds a single piece of the funnel. You submit a base prompt, it generates a full market research report, you refine your avatar and their pain points, and only then does it actually generate the pages. The heavy lifting it does during that second step, the research phase, is absolutely crucial. For instance, it might look at the $12.8 billion home fitness market, build out a highly customized target audience for you, hand you real market insights, and even suggest the exact type of lead magnet funnel tailored to your niche, completely alongside a list of real brands to use as design inspiration. It's like having a marketing agency in your pocket. And what's really fascinating here is the level of control it gives you. You aren't just stuck with the AI's first guess. You can jump in and edit this report on the fly. Say you want to shift that fitness target demographic from age 40 straight to age 65. Boom, you do it before the page generation even begins. This whole process ensures the AI gets it about 90% right on the very first try, so you're only ever tweaking that final 10%. Moving right along to Section 3, the funnel hacking debate. So, a massive question pops up in the community. Does having an AI do your market research mean traditional funnel hacking is dead? Absolutely not. While the AI Funnel Builder is phenomenal at building your foundation fast, generating that initial copy, and bypassing technical hurdles, it does not replace funnel hacking. Funnel hacking is still essential for actually immersing yourself in the industry. It uncovers those very specific competitor buzzwords and market commonalities that ultimately inform your sales calls and your broader strategy. The AI is a massive lever for speed, for sure, but Dante from the source material emphasized this perfectly. He said, please do not stop funnel hacking, do not stop being a conscious business owner and paying attention to your competitors. AI gives you unbelievable speed, but you still have to supply the strategic pulse of your business. All right, on to Section 4, no-code custom animations. To really grasp this, think the page editor as a carpenter's tool belt. The elements, your buttons, rows, accordions, those are your tools. If you're a complete beginner, you can actually have the AI generate an intricate element like a full FAQ accordion, and then literally click right into it to reverse engineer how that specific tool functions. It's not just a page builder, it's basically an interactive education tool to help you master the software faster. And if you want to push beyond the basic out-of-the-box tools, you can bypass weeks of technical frustration. During a live demo in the source material, they simply prompted the AI to add a pop-out animation to an image section, and the AI instantly wrote the custom JavaScript and HTML right there in the editor. Zero coding experience required. It's almost like magic. Now think about the strategic doors this opens up. Take affiliate marketing, for instance. Affiliates can use the AI to generate really slick, custom JavaScript features, like unique hover boxes or image pop-outs. They can then take that exact AI-generated code and give it away to their communities as a high-value, free lead magnet to generate platform signups. It's a completely brilliant way to just create unique digital assets out of thin air. Let's pivot to Section 5, Big Wins for Agencies. Let's look at the old, painful workflow for a second. You sign a client who is screaming with urgency. You spend a whole day grinding out the basic framework. Then you send it over and you wait. You agonize for an entire week just to get their basic feedback on the direction. By the time they reply, the momentum is completely dead. But look at this new AI workflow. It is a total game changer. Minute 1, you sign the contract. Minute 10, the AI generates those foundational funnel pages. Minute 15, you literally send the client a live share link. They can preview the real-time build immediately on their phone without even needing a ClickFunnels account. You are gathering feedback and making tweaks while the client is still hyped about signing the check. Finally, let's wrap this up in Section 6, the true definition of power. Let's tie this whole shebang together. Because you no longer have to endure 2 weeks of frustrating back and forth, managing expensive external designers, or struggling to communicate what you actually see in your head, you are fundamentally removing the barriers between your ideas and reality. You can build complete, industry-standard frameworks and share them with the world in a single day. There's a quote from Dante in the source material that just perfectly captures this. He says that true power isn't about Webster's dictionary definition, and it definitely isn't about having a degree in computer science or knowing how to code. The true definition of power is to be able to manifest in real life what one sees in one's mind. So I'm going to leave you with this final thought to chew on as we close out this explainer. If all the heavy lifting, the coding, the brown walls, the market research foundation is completely handled for you, what incredible ideas are you finally going to build? Thanks for hanging out with me today, and keep building.